This tutorial looks at forecast assumptions for accounts payable. On entering the forecast assumptions for accounts payable, the software tells you the value of accounts payable for the most recent actual month, and underneath that expresses that in days of purchases, working from the current month's purchases backwards in multiples of 30 days. 66 days represents all the current month purchases, all the previous month's purchases, and 6/30ths of the month prior to that. Underneath that, you have your forecast assumptions going forward. When you first come into the software, they will default to the current payable rate, and you can then increase that or reduce it individually by month, or you can fill across all months. And the other thing you can do is manually enter a dollar value if that's your preference. Once you are satisfied with your forecast assumptions, click Accept and Save, and you are done.